going on, all of you wonderfully amazing people? Please be sure to give this video a big old fat thumbs up if you enjoy these work at home related videos. Also, don't forget to go over and join the email newsletter. As a matter of fact, the people who were subscribed to the email newsletter actually got this lead a little bit before you guys, but that's okay. It's 100% free to sign up to the email newsletter. You can do that right now by going to the blog and just entering in your email. No one has access to your email except me, okay? Also, don't forget to go over and join the Work at Home Lounge over there on Facebook. Amazing things happening in that group. There were so many people over there who actually got invitations to actually work with Amazon on yesterday. So I'm super excited about that. Again, I told you guys amazing things will be happening in 2019 for the people that are over there in that Facebook group, okay? Again, give me a little bit of time to accept everyone. I plan on having everyone accepted by the end of this weekend, all right? But for today, if you're looking to make some money from your smartphone, you definitely need to run, do not walk, and apply for this position, okay? Right now, Sykes is actually looking for search quality evaluators, okay? This is what they say. We all know how frustrating it is to search a topic online and not get the search results that match our needs. So if you're looking for how to change the oil in a Honda Civic that's a 2012, you don't want to get a search result that shows you how to change the oil in a Kia Soul that's a 2018. Okay, you want to get the search result that actually applies to you. Okay, so very, very simple work. I've actually done something similar to this with another company. You'll simply only be going to different web browsers and verifying whether or not the search query that comes up is relevant to whatever they're looking for, okay? And the only thing that you need is a smartphone. You have to have an activated smartphone or your personal computer, okay? Personal computer and your smartphone. So if you're looking to make some money from your phone or computer, definitely do this. Now, you have to be willing to work at least 3 hours per day, up to 3 hours per day, with a max of 10 to 15 hours per week. Okay? And you also must be comfortable with viewing things that may be offensive or mature content. What I mean by that is you may look at somebody who is, half dressed. Some people look at people in a bathing suit and think that's inappropriate, okay? So, of course, they just have to put those things out there. But you may be looking at things that are a little bit more of a mature nature. So you have to be comfortable with that. You also must be at least 18 years of age or older because there may be some offensive or mature content that you're going to have to be evaluating, okay? They're hiring in every single state except, yes, there are some exceptions. The exceptions are Iowa, Illinois, New Hampshire, Washington, Vermont, Oregon, New York, Massachusetts, District of Columbia, Arizona, and Colorado. So if you live in any of those states, they do not hire. But if you live in California, so to my California people out there who are always like, they never hire in my state, you can apply to this position, okay? Again, everything will be in the description box down below. If you're looking to make some side cash from your smartphone, holler at this gig. Run, do not walk, and apply. And don't forget to sign up to the email newsletter and go over there and join the Work at Home Lounge. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.